It's just irritating. A bit
Damn,
weird.
You guys are like willingly sitting here listening to me.
I mean, yeah, because this is the channel where like the stuff relative to us is going on.
Yo, man, you guys are the only ones talking. Just go to your channel.
Alright, Cologne, move down one.
Let's follow them.
See? Alright, got my cautious ability. Dare you to make that noise. Oh, that was a good one actually. That's what I was thinking. It's a new one. I got my weapon. When you're in Scotland, have you ever had sex with a girl before?
Did you get me the Discord, by the way?
Hey, my cocaine, hey. I'm telling my cocaine in Swedish here that I don't play European Souls anymore. I just do weird noises in Discords. Hello? You guys hear that?
You're Carlos, like, it was me that started the weird noises, right? Like, you joined along with me. Like, okay. See, I told you Michael Caine, like, I'm weird. No, I wouldn't quite say that. Like, he's disciple turned into master, basically. Carlos, can you send me another one of those videos?
What do you want me to do?
No.
Want me to get naked for you?
Nah, no one of those ones.
Somebody should record him and upload the recording.
I'm already doing it.
What is
I make
Interesting.
Alright, he's ready.
No.
Follow it. We need to follow this up and kill the rest of the team.
transport. Yeah, go kill the transport. What the fuck is he doing? Is he an idiot?
Oh, yes, where's the rest of his
killed his
heavies?
entire navy.
Right, split off and try and find his heavies.
Yeah.
Yeah, just kick.
Yeah.
Fix that.
Horses are not allowed here.
Yeah.
You could be an elephant. This is India. Please, behave.
Yeah.
It's a terrible elephant. It's a terrible elephant.
Yeah, but I'd be muted. Fucking up.
Yeah.